Security guards creed. As a security guard, my fundamental duty is to protect lives and properties, maintain order within vicinity or place of duty, protect the interests of my employers or our client, and the security of the stability of our government and our country without compromise or prejudice, honest with my action, words, and thoughts, upholding and do my best upholding the principle of makajos, makabayan, makatao. Ethical standard. He shall be honest in thoughts, deeds, both in his official actuation, obeying the laws of the land and regulation prescribed his agency and those established by the company he is supposed to serve. He shall not reveal confidential matters committed to him as a security guard and such other matters imposed upon by law. He shall act all times with decorum and shall not be permitted personal feelings, prejudices, and undue friendship and influence his actuation in the performance of his official function. He shall not compromise with the criminal and other lawless elements to the prejudice of the customer or clients, and shall be assist government relentless drive against lawlessness and other form of criminality. He shall carry out his assigned duties as required by law to the best of his ability and shall safeguard life and property of the establishment he is assigned to. He shall wear his uniform, badge, patches, and insignia properly as a symbol of public trust and confidence as an honest and trustworthy security guard, watchman, and private detective. He shall keep his alliance first to the government he is assigned to serve with loyalty and utmost dedication. He shall delegate diligently and progressively familiarize himself with the rules and regulations laid down by his agency and those of the customer or clients. He shall at all times be courteous, respectful, and salute his superior officers, government officials, and officials of the establishment where he is assigned and company he is supposed to serve. He shall report for duty always in proper uniform, in neat in his appearance, and he shall learn a heart and strictly observe the laws and regulation governing the use of firearms. Code of conduct. He shall always carry with him at all the time during his tour of duty his license identification card, duty detailed order but with the authority to carry on firearms. He shall not use his license and privilege to the prejudice to the public, to the client or customer and his agency. He shall not engage in unnecessary conversation with anybody except the discharge of his work, shall at all times keep himself alert during his tour of duty. He shall not read newspaper, magazine, books, etc. while actually performing his duty. He shall not drink any intoxicating liquor immediately before and after during the his tour of duty. He shall know the location of the alarm box near his post and sound the alarm in case of fire or disorder. He shall know how to operate the fire extinguisher at his post. He shall know the location of the telephone and or the telephone number of the police present as well as the telephone number of the fire station in the locality. He shall immediately notify the police in case any sign of disorder, strike, riot, and any serious violation of the law. He or his group guards are not shall not participate or integrate disorder, strike, riot, or any serious violation of the law. He shall not he shall assist the police in the preservation of maintenance of peace and order and the protection of life, property, having in mind of nature in his responsibilities is similar that of the latter. Number 12. He shall familiarize himself as a private agency, Law Republic Act 5487 as amended and the PNP SAGSD implementing rules and regulation. When issued a pass, he should not lend his pass to anybody. He shall always in proper uniform and shall always carry with him the basic requirements and equipment such as writing book, bullpen, nightstick or baton, and or radio. He shall endeavor at all times to merit the worthy and trust and confidence the agency represents to the client. General orders. To take charge of this post, all government property in view. To walk in my post in military manner. To walk in my post in military manner, keeping always alert, observe everything that takes place, sight, and hearing. To report all violation I am instructed to enforce. To repeat all calls from more distance from the guardhouse I am stationed. To quit my post when properly relieved. To receive, obey, and pass out to the commander of relief all orders company to officer, non-commissioned officer of the guard only. To talk no one except the line of duty. To sound an alarm in any case of fire or disorder. To call the commander in relief if any case are not covered by instruction. To salute all of our officer, all colors, standard not ease. To be specially watchful at night during the time of challenging to challenge all person on the near my post and allow no one to pass and no one allow pass my post near my post with a proper authority.